To reuse a Ring doorbell camera, you will need the specific screwdriver for Ring cameras. Remove both of the screws that holds the camera in the wall. And then you need a regular screwdriver. It has two screws holding the base. The base is also stick to the wall, so you will need, after to remove the two screws, just pull it out a little harder, and that's it. You can reuse your camera.